Hello, respectable audience. I have a question. 6 plus 3 divided by 3 times 2 plus 1. Here, first of all, we will solve parentheses. So 2 plus 1 will be equal to 3. And here is no sign, so we will put multiplication sign 3. And here is 6 plus 3 divided by 3. Now, what we have to do? We have to move from left to right. And here is division and multiplication. And according to PEMDAS
rule,
first of all, parentheses have blue solve. So we have already solved this parenthesis. Exponent is absent in this question. Multiplication and division both have same priority, but we have to move from left to right. Here in this question, division is at left and multiplication is at right. So we have to solve this division first. So we will get 6 plus 3 divided by 3 times 3 means we have to divide this division first. So 6 plus 3 divided by 3 will be equal to 1 times 3. Now, 6 plus 1 is 7 times 3, which will be 21, but it is wrong. Because, according to PEMDAS, we have to solve multiplication now. So, 1 times 3 will be equal to 3 and plus 6. Now it has become simple. So, 6 plus 3 will be equal to 9. Hence, 9 will be our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.